In the court of Damascus, Hajjaj bin Yusuf sat upon his throne. Soldiers stood in disciplined rows as Hasan al-Basri, R.A., was brought in. Hajjaj looked at him with a mocking smile and asked, "O Hasan Basri, I hear you stand against me." The court fell silent. Everyone knew this was no ordinary question, but one that could cost a life. With calm courage, Hasan al-Basri replied, "I am not against you, O Hajjaj. I am against injustice. And since injustice is tied to you, it seems that I am against you." His words echoed like a sword through the hall. Hajjaj's face turned red, but he remained silent. Then he said, "If everyone in my court were like you, perhaps I would not have become so harsh." Hasan al-Basri quietly turned and walked away, leaving behind words that still echo through history. "I am not against you, I am against injustice."